तो चंद्रयान 3 है। हाँ,
Good morning, respected sir, deputy ma'am, principal ma'am, and all the teachers. I'm Neha from class 8, and I am present with Chandrayaan 3 was a successful and ambitious lunar mission of India. It following the footsteps of its predecessor.
आप मुझे बोलो ये किस प्रिंसिपल से ऊपर जाएगा?
It is based on the concept of pressure.
अच्छा,
Yes, sir. We inserted 2 injections in it. When we press one,
नहीं कोई प्रिंसिपल होगा जिससे ये ऊपर से ऊपर जाए। एक बार आप भी आप किस क्लास?
Topic of hydraulic. So firstly, I want to tell you what is hydraulic. A hydraulic bridge is a movable bridge, and in order to allow maritime traffic through the body of the water, that can be raised with the help of canyon. Now I will tell you how this model is. This model is
नहीं रुक
then the bridge goes, and when you pull the syringes, then the bridge goes.
एक ही।
Sir, this syringes is create. This process is done due to the pressure created by the syringes and water. That's why both of them will come up and down.
Good morning, respected sir. And this is our team from class 6. We all know that electricity has become an unavoidable necessity in our life. Dependence on electricity is increasing day by day, and India has become.
नहीं, आपने ये लिखा है ट्रेबिक टरबाइन कैसे काम करेगा?
It works on a simple principle. Instead of using electricity to make wind like a fan, it uses wind to make electricity. Yes, sir. When
अच्छा,
vehicles
विंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी।
when
विंड
vehicles
एनर्जी को आप इस्तेमाल करेंगे, बनाएंगे।
electricity generate करेंगे. When vehicles move on both sides of the road, the atmospheric pressure is created and which will move the traffic turbine and it will generate electricity, which we can use later in the lighting of any source. Yes, sir.
Pressure in activities, the nephron cells stop working is the main cause of dialysis.
Let me show you to our knowledge body. The liver is small, we make go with the help of cargo and make some transparent pipes because of purification of.
ये कंसेप्ट है जो विजुअल हो जाते हैं बस किस तरह से हम इंग्रेज यूज़ करेंगे वो हमें फॉर द सिक्योरिटी पर्पस कुछ चीज़ें जो हाइड करनी होती है वो सिक्योरिटीज़ के लिए।
टेस्टर हो गया ना वो।
तो बताएंगे ये क्या बनाया हुआ है?
This is human respiratory system. The air enters from the nose to the lungs. This process is known as inhalation, and moving out of air from the nose in form of carbon dioxide is known as exhalation. And the both process combination is called respiration. As you can see, when the air enters from the nose to the lungs expand, and when air goes from the lungs back to the nose, the lungs contracts.
This is circulatory system of human. A circulatory system of human consists of blood vessels and heart. A heart is a main organ of circulatory system, and we talk about it. A heart has 4 main chambers, which are right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, and left ventricle. Firstly, the deoxygenated blood enter in right atrium through inferior vena cava and superior vena cava. Then blood go to right ventricle. Right ventricle pump this blood to lungs, and lungs purify deoxygenated blood to oxygenated, and blood goes to left atrium. Left atrium pump this blood to left ventricle. Left ventricle pump this blood to aorta, and aorta distribute oxygenated blood to all body parts. This is digestive system. Digestive system starts from mouth and end with anus, which is known as alimentary canal. Digestion begins from opening of mouth and swallow of food. Then food go to stomach. In stomach, the food remains for 4 to 5 hours, and there is breakdown of protein. Then food go to small intestine. In small intestine, food remains for 10 to 15 hours, and there is breaking down of other nutrients, and and the nutrients are dissolved in our body, and the undigested food go to large intestine. In large intestine, the water is absorbed from the food, and the waste material from the body is stored in rectum and passes through anus.
मूव करेगा, मूव करने की वजह से यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी यूज होगा और एक काफ़ी सारी जगहों पे यूज होगी, जैसे होम अप्लायंस में, इंडस्ट्रीज में।
कौन सी एनर्जी किस में कन्वर्ट होगी?
सर विंड एनर्जी इलेक्ट्रिक में कन्वर्ट करेंगे।
वाटर से भी होगी? हाँ? वाटर से नहीं होती इलेक्ट्रिसिटी?
तीनों दिखाएं।
बताइए।
जब wind blows करेगी, when the wind blows and they sent through the a gearbox called generator, then the electricity is sent through the homes.
लेकिन वो
घर में यूज स्ट्रीट लाइट्स में, हाउसेस में यूज होगी।
Students of class 6.2 represent our model on smart transportation. Smart transportation can simply mean that smart transportation can simply mean
Flowers are our way to express gratitude and respect. They reflect both. Our director ma'am, Mrs. Manisha.
एक मिनट सर।
Education officer sir, for sparing a valuable time in spite of your busy schedule. You spare valuable time for our scholars. It's really a blessed moment for us. And I also welcome the principal of Government High Secondary School, Kathua. Sir, your intellectual presence means a lot for my scholars, for me also. And along with this, I welcome Suresh sir for accompanying the event with a very great successful manner. And Director Manisha Gupta ma'am, without whom presence we are not able to do a single event. And last but not the least, my scholars, first of all, please do clapping for yourself. In such a thunder, in such a pleasant moment, you are still there, give the confident level of yours. It's really a proud moment for a principal that how initiative and how initiative of these scholars give their presence in such an environment. And dear students, don't feel bad. It's only your participation which means a lot for me, because this is the only way when your innovative ideas encapsulated in such a synchronized manner and you showcase your talent in the form of models. So I am being congratulate and being feel proud for such a event and such a beautiful models from your side. Thank you everyone being patient in such an environment.
प्यारे बच्चों, जिन्होंने इस मौसम में भी यहाँ पे अपने अपने मॉडल्स प्रेजेंट किए हैं, सबसे पहले मैं सभी इन बच्चों को यहाँ से मुबारक करता हूँ कि उन्होंने ये जो मॉडल्स तैयार किए हैं, दिस इज़ द बेसिक लर्निंग। जब हम एजुकेशन की बात करते हैं, दिस इज़ क्रिएटिव लर्निंग, और हम कहते हैं कि दिस इज़ कलेक्टिव लर्निंग, क्योंकि जैसे यहाँ पे मैंने पाया कि हर एक मॉडल के साथ साथ 4 से 5 बच्चे थे। इसका मतलब इन्होंने आपस में कोऑपरेट करके ये मॉडल डेवलप किया है, जिससे इनकी सेंस ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इनकी बढ़ेगी। जैसे ये साइंस एग्जीबिशन की जब हम बात करते हैं, कोई भी साइंस एग्जीबिशन लगती है तो इससे बच्चों का जो इनर टैलेंट है, साइंटिफिक एटीट्यूड है, उसको बढ़ावा मिलता है। मैं बीइंग चीफ एजुकेशन ऑफिसर कठुआ सभी इन बच्चों को यहाँ से फिर दोबारा मुबारकबाद करता हूँ, और इनको मैं ये कहूँगा कि ये जो छोटे छोटे आपके मॉडल हैं, कभी कभी इन छोटे छोटे इन साइंटिफिक मॉडलों में से कोई एक मॉडल ऐसा निकलता है जिसको हम अपने नेशनल या इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे भी प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं।
स्कूल में?
सर आज टाइनी स्कॉलर में साइंस एग्जीबिशन लगाई गई और ये साइंस एग्जीबिशन जो बर्थ सेरेमनी होती है CV रमन जी की, जो एक ग्रेट फिजिक्स के फैसिलिटेटर रहे हैं, उनके बर्थ मार्क एनिवर्सरी पे हम मनाते हैं। और ये आज साइंस एग्जीबिशन में हमारे 5th क्लास से लेके 8th क्लास के बच्चों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया और बहुत अच्छे से इंथुसियाज्म मैनर से पार्टिसिपेट किया था। सब जो मॉडल्स थे वो वर्किंग मॉडल्स थे। एट लास्ट मैं यही बोलूँगी, दिस इज़ द थिंग वेयर देयर इज़ द इंटरफेस ऑफ द सोसाइटी इन द साइंस एंड वेयर वी हैव रिलेट द एग्जीबिशन इन विच मैनर साइंस enhance the knowledge of the students and the students explore their innovative ideas and synchronize their models in such a manner so that they explore their minds and explore their new ideas for the betterment of the nation. So it's really a very self-articulated and successful event today in Tiny Scholars. In future I will also promote these type of events, and through media I just want to congratulate all my scholars and even convey my best wishes to all the students who are going to appearing for the board exams. Do your best and leave everything and rest to the God. The God definitely reward you for the best marks. And